Okay, so let's have this problem. So the game of chance problem, then we have this given. So in a roulette wheel in a Fiesta Carnival has a number 1 to 30, then if you bet 5 pesos, you will win 100 pesos. Then let X denoted by the net gain for a bet. So we're going to solve this one in a table form. Then we have X and the probability of X. Since X is the net gain, so observe that in the problem, if you bet 5 pesos, you will win 100 pesos. So therefore, the gain is 95 pesos. Because from this 100 minus the amount you bet, so 100 minus 5, so the gain is 95 pesos. Then if you lose, so you lose the amount you bet, so this one is negative 5. So take note that if you win, that's positive, and if you lose, that's negative. Then to find the probability that you gain 95 pesos, since only one number out of 30 will win, so therefore the probability is 1 out of 30, and we need to convert this one to decimal. So we have 1 divided by 30 equals, so 0.0333. So the probability that you gain 95 pesos is 0.0333. Then for the probability that you lose these 5 pesos, since only one number will win, so therefore you lose these 29 numbers out of 30, and convert this one to decimal. So we have 29 divided by 30 equals, so that's 0.9667. So the probability that you lose these 5 pesos is 0.9667. Then to check your probability, so just add all these numbers and take note from the properties of the distribution that the sum of the probability must be equal to 1. Then for this column, so just multiply this x and the probability of x. So multiply these two numbers, so we have 95 times 0.0333. So 95 times 0.0333 equals, so we have 3.1635. So 3.1635. Then for this row, so multiply this negative 5 times 0.9667. So we have negative 5 times 0.9667 equals, so we have negative 4.8335. So negative 4.8335. Then to find the expected value, so the summation of x times the p of x, so just add these two numbers. So you add, so we have 3.1635 plus this negative 4.8335 equals, so we have negative 1.67. So the expected value is negative 1.67. Then if the expected value is negative, then you lose. But if the expected value is positive, then you win. So in this case, this negative means that one loses money on the average of 1.67 or you have a chance to lose 1.67 pesos per bet.